Good morning students, welcome back to our science class. So today in this class we will discuss more about chapter 6, that is food we get from plants. So in the previous chapter we have already discussed some of the topics, so we'll start with a new topic, that is uses of plant. So what are the uses of plants? There are different kinds of uses of plants. See, plants are very helpful for us. So plants are very helpful for us because usually we get many things from the plants, like you can see here: food, medicines, wood, rubber, gum, oil, paper, perfumes, etc. So all these things we are getting from the plant, and that's why plants are very useful for us. And because of this plant and trees and the flowers, our surrounding looks very beautiful. So these are the uses of plants. As next we have is a food from the plants. So what are the foods we are getting from the plants? So you usually get many kinds of foods from the plants, like we are getting fruits from the plants, then we are getting vegetables from the plant, and in the vegetables we are eating all the parts of the plant, like we eat the roots of the plant, then we eat the leaves of the plant as vegetables, then flowers of the plants also as vegetables, then we eat fruits. Okay students, then next we are getting from the plant, that is nuts. Okay, nuts also we are getting from the plants. And next we are getting the food grains, so rice, wheat, all these grains we are getting from the plants. Next we are getting spices. So spices also students we are getting from the plants, like turmeric, then we have the ginger, we have garlic. So these all the spices we use in our daily life to cook our food. So all these spices we are getting from the plants. Next students, we are also getting the oil that are used for cooking food and all. So we are getting that oil also from the plants. Okay, next you see tea, coffee and sugars. This tea, usually we have tea and coffee, so that tea and coffee and sugar and also we are getting from the plants students. So next you come to the topic, that is medicines from plants. So students, as I told you before, that we are getting many things from the plants, like food, medicines, then wood and rubber. So some of the medicines are also we are getting from the plants. So some plants give us medicines, and these plants are called medicinal plants. So those plants which are giving you medicines, that plants are known as medicinal plants. So for example, if we take, then you can see here tulsi, clove and neem. So this tulsi plant will give you a kind of medicine, so that's why it is known as medicinal plant. Next we have cloves. So cloves are also being used to treat some kind of diseases, so that's why it known as that medicinal plant. So neem is also used for the skin infection, so it is very good for skin care. Neem we are using for skin care, so that's why it comes under medicinal plants. So students, these are some of the uses of plants is given in your book.